Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
China's crude oil imports from Russia soared 55% from a year earlier to a record level in May, displacing Saudi Arabia as the top supplier, as refiners cashed in on discounted supplies amid sanctions on Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine. Factories in two of China's COVID-hit economic hubs have mostly resumed work as the impact of the virus subsides, according to China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Tesla has achieved full production. The euro rose despite French President Emmanuel Macron losing an absolute majority in the country's parliamentary election, as the dollar retreated against its major peers after hitting a 20-year peak last week. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 3.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. The RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT. The Eurozone's current account will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 23:50 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 01:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.